of Education in Social Stability and Integration prepared by ZAINAB TAHIR. Introduction. Education is the foundation of personal and economic growth. Social stability, a peaceful and organized society without major conflicts. Social integration, unity and inclusion among different groups. In Pakistan, education has great potential to bring unity, but is held back by systemic challenges. Social stability. A peaceful and organized society where people trust institutions and work together. Social stability ensures progress socially and economically. In Pakistan, it means reducing violence, addressing inequalities, and creating peace among ethnic, religious, and cultural groups. Social integration. Bringing people together despite differences in ethnicity, language, or religion. Social integration creates a sense of belonging for all. In Pakistan, reducing the gap between ethnic groups, Punjabis, Sindhis, Balak, Pashtuns, and providing equal opportunities. Theoretical integration. Functionalist theory. Education creates stability by teaching shared values and cultural practices. Conflict. Theory. Education can divide or unite, depending on equality in the system. Example. Finland uses education to promote equality and national unity. Education and social stability in Pakistan. Major challenges: inequalities in urban and rural education, gender gaps, and limited resources. Inclusive education reduces poverty, tackles extremism, and promotes peace. Investing in equal education can create a stable society. Education as a tool for integration. Curriculum reflecting Pakistan's cultural diversity fosters national unity. Civic education promotes respect, empathy, and tolerance. Programs like Par Ho Punjab, Bar Ho Punjab focus on gender equality and social unity. Case studies and success stories. Malaysia, national curriculum promotes unity among diverse ethnicities. Finland focuses on inclusivity and equality in education. Pakistan, the Citizens Foundation, TCF, provides quality education to underprivileged children, breaking barriers of class, gender, and ethnicity. Policy recommendation. Develop a national curriculum focusing on values like tolerance and inclusivity. Train teachers to promote respect and diversity. Improve education access in remote areas. Support marginalized groups, including girls and minorities. Revise textbooks to remove biases and promote peace building. Conclusion. Education is key to a peaceful and unified society. Addressing inequality and promoting inclusivity is essential for Pakistan's stability. Policymakers must act to harness education's potential for unity and progress.